Today we are making a new segment. A segment what we call as Makan Bersama Laupan. Tauke. Okay guys. So first and foremost, I would like to ask. I have one tauke here beside me.
Hi.
Tauke
sir.
Laupan. Can you share with me
Ni
your
hao
name?
ma. Okay, my name is Syairan Rohajat. I am from MSR Interior Design. So today I'm here at 1J Clooney Road, Botanical Garden, dekat kedai Abang by Pondok Abang.
Okay, boss.
Okay.
You were mentioning that you are running a company called
Yes, sir.
MSR. Can you share a bit more with our viewers?
We have run for 10 years, more than 10 years, 11 years this year. So Alhamdulillah, besides that, we also run a few other small kecil lah. Small company.
Banyak yang kecil.
So basically, I'm here today to try out. Pasal saya dengar sini ada nasi goreng ayam sedap. Nasi goreng ayam penyet. So, I datang bersama I punya kawan. Nanti tengok. Lucu sikit. Pusing sikit. Okay, this is Dr. Malik from Crave. So today I'm here with him to try out this nasi goreng ayam penyet. You order apa, bos?
Ikan goreng dengan bawah penyet. You tengok dia punya ikan. Tengok dia punya ikan.
Ya.
Bukan malas ikan loh.
Ikan ni bukan ikan dalam kolam
Ikan kolam.
Doktor, share sikit you punya jenama. Okay.
Masya Allah. Tak besar sangat lah. Kita kira jual nasi lemak je. Nama brand is Crave Nasi Lemak. I pun ada company Selera Nasi Lemak. Pak Adam Road dekat sini juga. I ada travel agent also, M3 Oasis. Pun company kecil-kecil lah. Kita baru-baru nak naik berjinak dalam bisnes. Tak ada. Bohong ya.